Hi everyone, back with me again at this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an static blur photo in EPIK Photo Editor. So here I've already opened my photo on EPIK, and then you can just swipe the toolbar and find effects, then go to blur. Okay, click on the blur. Then here you can see there will be lots of options, but I'm going to choose the motion one. It's right here, and you can just adjust it. You can adjust the intensity of the blur, the rotate, and also the edge. I'm going to go with this. Then you can also adjust on how much the blur affects the person in the photo. I'm going to go with 70. Then you are done. So here is the before and here is the static blur photo, and if you like the result, you can just click on the arrow down to download it. Okay, so that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye.